here in the university, here in the sports science lab. So this is where I conducted the study with the three lads here. So they're three world champions, they're all Irish, so they're the 50 plus, 60 plus and 70 plus world champion. So basically the idea with this study is to look at their physiology, what level of fitness are they at, just to give us an understanding of how physically developed can you be as you age. We saw that some of the measures were quite similar to what you'd see for a young Olympic champion. So for instance, their efficiency, we could measure how much energy they burn versus how much they're applying. And they have a very high level of efficiency. It's basically the same as a young Olympic champion.
Well, it was tough, it was challenging. We were tested to our max to see what our max power output was, to see what our VO2 max was.
I suppose the surprise is that we're up there at our age level worldwide at the 95 percentile. So when I turned 70 last year, I broke 3 records in one day.
Which is fantastic.
2K, 1K and 500.
Brilliant stuff. Yeah. And I'd have the world 2K for lightweight. So I broke that there a couple of years ago. I think it's still valid. And in the same year we did kind of a combined 10-man team, and Kenny was on that team as well, which was a 24-hour ergometer test.